Hey everybody, it's Steve Schmid again at Simple Pump Company. Today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about fastener maintenance. So there's multiple fasteners on the head portion of the Simple Pump, and we want to make sure that that's tight so that over time they don't loosen and you start to wear things out prematurely. There's not too much to do here. First, this is our sealed cap. The sealed cap is going to take 2 1/2-inch wrenches, and you're going to use your 1/2-inch wrenches on the top and the bottom side. You want to make sure that this is pretty tight. Okay, what you should see is that these two pieces actually join together. This is just a demo system, so I'm not going to tighten them all the way down here, but make sure that these are just about touching. And that should make sure that it's tight enough so where it won't wobble when you're actually pumping the system. The next is to tighten the split flange. This is what holds the pump system to the well cap. Okay, there are 4 total bolts here, one on the side, which is we call the pinch bolt. That'll be the first one you'll want to make sure is tight. You can crank this pretty hard. The aluminum's thick and can handle that. Make sure that's really tight, and that will prevent this system from dropping over time. And then after the pinch bolt is nice and tight, double check that the 3 on top are tight as well. Okay. The next is the handle bracket. Okay, this bracket is what mounts to the pump head and manages the pivoting of the handle. There are 4 different bolts. It's a 3/16 inch Allen head, so just make sure these are nice and tight. And that'll make sure that that handle bracket and the geometry of the handle works correctly. And then lastly, you're going to tighten the pump rod into the clevis. Now remember guys, this is left-hand thread, so you're going to go the opposite direction than you typically would to tighten. And that's it. Those are the fasteners that you have for our sealed cap and all the head portion above that.